This is my studio lighting setup, and today I will show you how you can go from this to this. This is Captain Filmmaking. Welcome aboard our channel. First of all, we need our key light. In this case, it's the Amaran 200X bicolor light with a big Godox 120 softbox. The light is set to 5600 Kelvin, which is daylight. The combination between the double diffusion inside of the softbox and its large diameter of 1.2 meters makes a really pleasing and soft light around my face. To lighten up the dark side of your face, you need a fill light. In this case, I'm using a small tube light, a Nanlite Pavotube 26C, which is rather small, but for this purpose it's plenty enough. Creating contrast in both color and exposure is always a good thing. And in this particular scene, I grabbed my light tubes to add this typical teal-orange look to the background of this scene. You can use any color you want, but I really like this particular setup. To separate myself from the background, I use a hair or a rim light. In this case, it's an Amaran 60X bicolor light, and it's positioned above and behind me over my left shoulder, which is on the right for you. Okay, anyway.
That's it, I'm getting out of here.
It's just set to 10%, but that's enough to give this little glow on the edge of my shoulder. And finally, we spice it up with a gobo light. In this case, I've chosen an Aputure LS 60X bicolor light in combination with the Spotlight mini zoom. I've chosen the industrial windows insert just to mimic some light coming from outside of the room. And in addition to that, I put a plant in front of the light just to create even more depth by its leaves partially blocking the light rays. En voila! You have your final lighting setup for your next YouTube videos. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel for our upcoming videos. Thank you for being part of the Captain Filmmaking crew. We'll catch you in the next one and see you on the other side.